To Whole Foods, they've never been to Whole Foods.
Sit down. I wanted to show them.
Not
Yes.
Mama.
Yes, that is me. I wanted to show them how you're cuddling with me. Can you sit back down? Can you sit down where you were? Oh, you're just going to sit on me? Okay. Okay. Can you say hi? Say hi.
It's not that busy. It's weird because normally.
Say hi.
Speaking of weird, we've got
Are you putting your toes in the pictures? Say hi.
these guys.
Oh, yeah?
And if you stand under
What are you doing?
where
Favorite.
can't think, puts his arrow, you can fall in love. So we're going to take Fran and Ed's picture there, but they're already in love, so I don't know what that means. They'll fall more in love. Oh, is it?
You're so funny.
We do like funny things like poses.
You've got some bony elbows.
We're like brave.